So, in the royal court, when the minister and weaver reached, the king sat on his throne and the envoy was there on his seat. So, after that, signing to the minister to remain where he was, he left the minister where he was standing. Weaver moved towards the, here advanced means move towards. The weaver moved towards the envoy and he placed the knuckle bones on the floor besides him. For an answer, the envoy, what did the envoy do? Envoy took a handful of millet seeds from his pocket and scattered it round, upon which weaver set the hen down, which ate it up the millet seeds in a moment. At that, upon that, envoy rose without a word and he left the courtroom. As soon as he left the hall, the king beckoned to the weaver. Beckon means turn towards the weaver to talk to him. You alone seem to solve this puzzle. You are the only one who solved the puzzle created by the envoy, and you will be rewarded for that. But please tell me, I pray you, what does it all mean? As we are not aware what has happened actually, you came and you placed the knuckle bone in front of the envoy, and for an answer envoy took a millet seeds from his pocket and he scattered around, and after that you placed the hen which ate up the millet seeds in a moment. Upon that, envoy rose and he left the hall without saying a single word. So please explain what does it all means. So the weaver answered the question like this: the circle drawn by the envoy signifies the message of emperor, that if he is going to send an army, will you lay down your arms? The knuckle bones which I placed before him, that was the answer, that you are going to lay your arms, but children in front instead of you, in children in comparison to us, because toys like these are the only playthings are fit for you. On the millet scattered, the millet that he scattered was an indication, was a symbol of number of soldiers that his master could bring into the field. But by the hen which ate up all the millet seed, he got an idea. He understood that one of the men is enough to destroy their army. Pausing for a while, he added that I don't think his master is will declare a war. You saved me and my honor, said the king. And the king was very surprised and he appreciated him, and also he told him that you saved my life and honor, and the wealth and glory is dedicated to you. So name